Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India again. Today's date is 7th of January 2018, and we are in our ongoing series of trading for a living. Today is day 5, I guess. Yeah, day 5, and we'll be covering the trades we have done for last Friday of the week. Even though today is Sunday, but we'll be going through the trades for the last Friday of the week. So the market condition was in here. You can see the price is looking like it was moving in a flat market structure over here. If you just analyze this part here, price goes up from here to here. Then there was a minor pullback over here. It goes up from then here to here, coming back down there, taking support right on that previous short-term support as well as the overall support area over here. All right. So that creates some kind of the move goes up and the equal moves coming back down, equal moves going back up creates what kind of a structure? It's a flat kind of a structure, isn't it? So we were looking for shorts on this day on this top with a target of this support level. There were some more targets in between. The midline was there between this channel here. So we had a trade in either side. Either it could be a breakout of this channel, or it could be coming back down below the level of key resistance here and trading the channel back again here, right? So the idea was trading this channel or a breakout of this channel towards the upside. All right, so come to the channel here. So this is the public channel. Okay, so we have a public channel and we have a paid channel, for the members here. If you're not in the channel, in the public channel, the free channel, then the link is given in the description. Join there. So 5th January, we'll start from here. All right. So yeah, as you can see here in the free channel, I've updated this part. This level of resistance. I mean, when you see the daily time frame, the resistance zone is not much clear, right? Look at here. You don't see much kind of resistance zone here. You just see the shadows over here, right? But if you dive down to the 1 hour time frame here, as I posted in here, the resistance zone is much more clear over here. Let me zoom it out. Zoom in, okay. So one level of resistance you see in here, another level of resistance you see in here, and we had multiple trades last week in this level of resistances basically. All right, so overall this was a resistance zone, and the arrow means we are looking either a breakout or we are looking for a reversal. And this was a tough day, seriously, because both way it played with us. End of the day, we managed to end the day with some profits, but that was a break-even kind of situation. But anyways, we are very much convinced with the trades we have done there. So I'll just go through those trades. So the market opens up over here, and we tried two sell trades over here, right? We are targeting to to go short with these key levels of resistance here, because in our head, in our mind, we were trading this channel on the daily time frame. So we were trading on till the time the price is not breaking out above this level. We are obviously trying our bet on the sell side in line with the overall channel here. Right, so we tried some sell-off signals over this resistance, which failed. Again, we tried some sell-off signals over this resistance. Again, that failed. That failed, but the sell-off signal on this resistance failed at the end of the day, basically. But overall, it was looking like, okay, we are going to break it out. We are going to trade in line with the channel. So let me go through those trades one by one. So this was the day for us. 750 was the overall profit. Finally, we had 5 trades. In 3 trades, we hit our stop loss for 4.5 in each trade. So we shorted, and we had a stop loss. And the moment we have seen that, okay, the price is not reacting to the selling side, then we trailed our stop loss to the half of it. All right. So our stop loss was 1 hour. Then we trailed it to half of it, which is 0.5 hour. So as you know, our stop loss is always what, 1500. Then once we felt like, okay, it's not working out the way we want it, then we reduced it down to 750 rupees, making it tighter as early as possible in there. Okay, so let's go to our member section. So in member section, this was the first post. So as I told you, we are looking for sell off on this level. We are looking for sell off on this level, and that's what this arrow means. We'll be looking at our strategies over there. And these are the mid levels. I mean, In the public channel, I guess you can see the overall channel only. But if we are selling it over here, then our first target would be this one really, and maybe we can look for some buy signal over there if we find it, and then the next target will be this level, right? So in the public channel or in the daily time frame, this is the overall zone, but inside this overall zone, there are these key levels playing out over there. And in these key levels, most of the key levels we have traded throughout the week, last week. Then okay, so the trades are going okay. So this is where this was very much interesting, and our breakout trade failed. We were trying some sell off signals over this level, and then one stop loss we hit while trying to capture the breakout, basically. So this was the breakout, and you all know the triangle breakout. We trade this triangle a lot. This is one of our advanced course content, and one of the most one of the most important content in our advanced course. So right above the key level zone of resistance, we found this triangle breakout structure over here. So it was looking like this is very much convincing over there, and there are multiple ways to trade this. Sometimes we traded directly above the level of resistance. Sometimes we capture it before it really happens. Sometimes we capture it right after some kind of confirmations happens over there. So it depends what kind of scenario is really happening over there. So in this trade, we were trying to capture this breakout here. You see this breakout, and it was looking like, okay, we are making it, but no, it didn't work out finally. So we were trying to capture the momentum, the breakout momentum as such. What we say that right after the key level breaks, this momentum we have been targeting, but that didn't work out. All right, and we exited. Right before the hitting our stop loss, because when we have seen that, okay, this is not really breaking out the way it should be, the way a breakout trade should work out, and then coming back down, and when we see then, okay, this is taking the support of this key level, that looks like something good is happening. But the moment we have seen, okay, can you see the level, the price again coming back down below the level of resistance, and there was looking like a reversal will happen. No. This same resistance, this same support now reacted as a resistance here, which is your first signal, which is your first. I have talked about this many times with you guys in a lot of trades. Whenever you see, price is not responding to the price is responding to the key level. Like, let's say you have a lower high, and then you have this, and price goes up. Let me draw it here. You have lower high price actions, and price goes up, and for the first time you see the price is way above the last lower low, and price coming back down and not following through, not going with the overall trend momentum here, which is lower high. Instead of that, price now starts taking support of the previous swing low, and then it's when you see the price is really taking support there, then now you need to be careful about a reversal of the overall downtrend and shifting towards an uptrend. And that's what happened here, and that's what warned us. Simple price action, nothing complicated. If the market had that strength, if the price had that strength of going up, it shouldn't have reacted here. Remember this will help you in a lot of trades. Okay, let's go ahead. This was in Jan future. Okay, so the price was stopping there, and if you see most of the time, and you see how amazingly this price action key levels works out. You see, this was the first level from where the price reacted, and it didn't go up way up to that level anymore. All right, and then prices started to react on the zone we have created. This was the resistance zone, and in this zone, this was the first level of resistance, and this is the second level of resistance, right? And if you see, the same thing is happening, man. If you see, this is a key level, and price coming back down and taking resistance from the previous top. What happened next? Same thing. Price coming back down and now taking resistance from the same top. Same thing is happening. Which again, so far we have been thinking like, okay, now you're really going to really trade the channel. Yeah, things are in line. Things are showing, the price action is showing things in line. So we were too much happy, and we created short positions over here. Really, we really short positions. We had one short position. Actually, we had two short positions. one short positions we have created. Once we have started seeing, okay, the price action is not responding to this breakout, and another short position we have started creating once we have seen, okay, the price is not even responding to this level of resistance. It's not able to move above that level of resistance either. All right, so we had two multiple sets of short positions, and if it would be, the if the trade would be successful on that day on Friday, then it would be huge money for us, because we have multiple lots, two sets of short positions with the same amount of risk, and we are targeting directly here. I mean, in between we have the key levels over here, but we had a huge position on that day, but the risk amount was same. The risk amount was 1500 only. Sorry, where am I? Okay. So let's go further. So this is what you see. This is what we have been targeting as a first target and a second target we had here. So, but this is market. Finally it didn't work out, and we exited with a 1 hour profit. 1 hour profit. Okay, these are other things. I mean, the trailing stop losses and those part. So I think that's it. That's it from here. That's it from here. So this was the day finally. Look at this. I mean, how amazingly this thing worked out. We got the first signal over here, then the signal was more stronger over here. Price was going really great. It was going nice, and price broke down the overall resistance zone, key level zone, went up and took resistance over the level again, which is one more strong sign of the sellers for us. And looking at that, we trailed over a stop loss, and then from here price reversed, really didn't work out. So a messy day, and then the trend started and the zoom way back again to the top from where it started, right? So this was the day for us, and not a bad day. We were really see, for us, making money for a day doesn't matter. Making money for a day or making a loss for a day doesn't matter. For Sachin Tendulkar, I mean, the ethics I believe in is that for Sachin, it's not important to go to the field and make runs. It doesn't count that how much runs he made, 50 runs or 60 runs or a century. What matters for him is that performance. Whatever balls he has faced, he has performed his best. So based on that, this day was an amazing day for us, because we traded the breakouts here, we traded the the reversals here, and everything was perfect in terms of our trades performance. Whether it made money for us or didn't make money for us, happiness is not in there. Happiness is attending the trades, what really happened inside the market, attending the formations, the price actions, and we did that, and we are very much happy for that. All right. Until the time, your focus is on your performance and not on the how much money you make today or tomorrow or trade by trade. By default, you will be making money in a long run. All right. So see you guys on Monday, or not on Monday, I guess on Tuesday with the Monday trades. And hopefully I'll be in touch with you in the Telegram channel also. I'm also in the WhatsApp, so come into my WhatsApp broadcast list also. But I prefer you be there in my Telegram, because if you come in Telegram, then you can see my last 6 months of things in there, but in WhatsApp you can't see that. All right, so thank you so much for your time. I'll see you guys.